مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة ومميزة من برنامجكم الوطني رواد الأعمال. وكما عودناكم في كل أسبوع أن نستضيف كفاءة جديدة ومن زاوية Special Businessman. Please welcome Mr. Richie Rohra, the Director of Utmost Golf Transport by Heavy Trucks.
Hi,
Welcome,
good evening.
Mr. Richie. It's such an honor being here with you today.
Thank you, my friend. Same to you.
So firstly, can you tell me and tell my viewers a little bit more about yourself and how did you start your business?
Okay. My name is Rishi Rohra. I run a company called Utmost Gulf Transport by Heavy Trucks LLC. We have two branches, one in Dubai and another one in Abu Dhabi. Basically, I came here 15 years back and I was working with logistics companies. And suddenly I thought of, I saw the need of transport companies in Dubai. So we started our company back in 2007. And then in 2009, we started a branch in Abu Dhabi. In Abu Dhabi, basically, we are mostly doing all the heavy lift jobs for the ADNOC and ADCO for oil and gas departments. In Dubai, we do a lot of jobs with heavy lift for normal trucking for most of the logistic providers, international and national local companies also.
MashaAllah.
Thank you.
And can you share with us what kind of services do you provide?
We are basically into logistics and transportation, basically heavy lift. We also have a machinery department wherein we give our machines on rental for all the projects for the EPC companies. So they hire the machines from us for the groundwork and the landscape of the projects. And then once the project is under construction, we move the heavy lift packages for them, which are coming from overseas and which are going to be used here for the projects like generators, transformers, heavy vessels, pressure vessels.
Wow, that's really great. So as a professional businessman, Mr. Richie, can you tell me what are your future plans?
Future plans is basically we are still growing in the sector we are. We are currently at a stage wherein we need a lot of other infrastructure to be done in what we are doing. So basically what we are doing is going to be a future but in a little bigger way than what we are doing right now.
We hope you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So, as you know, here in the United Arab Emirates, it's such a big market and there's a lot of competition. It's not easy to be successful,
Right.
especially in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So, can you tell me what makes you so special?
Special is basically we provide a very good service. We provide an all-in service to our clients because this heavy lift and over dimension cargo, it needs a lot of planning with the government departments. Like there are cargoes which we move on the road which are much bigger than the road size also. So we have to do a lot of planning with the RTA department, the technical department and the municipality for moving the signboards, moving the traffic signals. So all that is done by us. We have our own engineering team. So that makes us more special because the client gets all in one.
Wow.
Yeah, the client gets everything from us. They don't have to go to third parties because we already have those third parties in our vendor list. We use them and we give the entire package to the client.
We hope you even reach higher standards.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So, can you share with us the locations and how to contact you?
We are based in Jebel Ali for our Dubai office, and we have a office in Abu Dhabi, Musaffa, and we have 2 yards where we keep our equipments. One is in Jebel Ali itself and another one is in Mafraq, Abu Dhabi. So we have 2 offices, Dubai and Abu Dhabi.
Dear viewers, the contact number and websites will appear below on the screen. So lastly, we from ABC Al Arabiya, we thank the UAE government and leaders for the blessings they provided us with, such as safety, luxury, and the business environment we live in here today. And we want a special thank you from you as well, Mr. Richie.
Inshallah, I would say that if we were not in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, we would have not grown the way we have grown. This is all the support of the good government of UAE. Special thanks to Mr. Sheikh Mohammed of Dubai, Mr. Sheikh Mohammed of Abu Dhabi, and Sheikh Khalifa. This is the country wherein you can grow your business in folds because the support from government is very, very nice. Everything is open, everything is very clear, black and white. So it becomes very easy for us to operate. We just have to follow the guidelines of the government and makes our job much easier and faster. Thank you.
so much for this amazing letter, and thank you as well for having us here. It was such a pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. My pleasure too.
So, مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا ونختتم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا كل Friday and Saturday on ABC العربية and social medias. دمتم بخير.